morning guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. It's summer, really hot, and one drink can really help you cool down in this weather. That is Nariyal Pani, tender coconut water. It is delicious, nutritious, and contains salts like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. It can easily rehydrate your body, and this is what you require to drink now in the summers. You can get tender coconut water everywhere. You can see one right behind me. This is very close to my house. You can get it for about 50 or 60 rupees. And if you're in south of India, you probably get it for about 25 rupees or 30 rupees. It is available throughout India, and we are fortunate to have this wonderful fruit with this tender coconut water. Before the lockdown in the year 2019, we traveled to countries like Sri Lanka, Malaysia and Thailand. I want to show you clippings of tender coconut water which is available in the restaurants as well as on the roadside there. So let's start. Kuala Lumpur. We visited KL, the capital of Malaysia, in June 2019. On the second day, we visited Kuala Lumpur City Gallery, a rabbit hole of KL itself. After spending an hour in the gallery, we stepped out, and boy, it was humid and hot. Relief came in the form of this lady selling chilled tender coconut water.
This is fresh coconut water, but it is so sweet. It seems to me that we are drinking from a packaged one. It's very refreshing. And there's that white coconut also in that, which you can have, you know, the coconut.
That's why they've given a spoon, see?
Yeah. Also coconut cream is there. It's a little difficult. I think first you have to drink it up and then only you can take the cream.
It is really sweet, but it is also quite chilled. And check the packaging. They beautifully cut the tender coconut, wrapped it in a cling film. They've given a straw and also a spoon to scoop out the flesh or cream of this tender coconut. So let me show you the tender coconut. So you can see this tender coconut flesh there or cream. That is good. Actually, in Kuala Lumpur it's only 32 degrees now, but it's fairly humid. But tender coconut water is one thing which can really refresh you.
Got over too fast. You can have this cream. It's nice. It's not very easy to scoop it out.
Yeah.
Still a little bit is left inside.
We also visited Batu Caves, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a colossal gold-painted statue of Lord Murugan. The limestone caves have several Hindu temples and can be accessed by climbing the colorful stairs. The weather was hot and sticky, and we ordered a tender coconut each from this vendor. Check his cutting skills. Who's up? It is extremely humid because it was raining in the morning. Both of us are sweating. So to cool yourself, there is no lemon tea here. I'm going for a tender coconut. tender coconut with flesh. Hey God, it's so refreshing. I wish it was cold, but the chilled ones are not available here. We wanted to just sit and drink this tender coconut. Langkawi is an hour's flight from KL. We visited the Chenang night market on our last day. Pantai Chenang is a heaven for tourist shopping as well as a destination for foodies. We saw this young guy selling huge tender coconuts and decided to try one. He had both fresh coconuts and coconut water in glass, which was much cheaper. Both were sweet and quite rehydrating. Check this huge tender coconut. We visited Galle, a gem in the southernmost part of Sri Lanka in November 2019. We stayed in a hotel inside the fort area and it was one of the most memorable vacations we had. We happened to visit an Art Deco property / hotel aptly called Deco at 44. The hotel literally transports you back to the 1960s and 70s. Here we were served a king coconut, a orange colored tender coconut, beautifully cut and presented on our table. Have a look at this beautifully presented tender coconut. It's past 2, so we are fairly hungry. What we have ordered is a plate of traditional Sri Lankan rice and curry with, of course, a tuna fish curry. Just before that, just to quench the thirst, we have ordered king coconut. Just see the coconut. I've never seen a full coconut presented like this, either in Bangkok or any other place in Kerala. I've only seen king coconuts in Kerala because they are red in color and they're extremely sweet. But just see the way they have cut it. It's a true piece of art. And also there are a couple of slices of lime. I think you can just squeeze in the lime or taste the lime and drink the water. Let's do it. My God, that is so refreshing. It's so sweet, and I love this better than any other soda available. I normally drink a fresh lime soda or iced tea, but this is going to be my favorite drink from today onwards. King coconut water with a couple of slices of lime. Just check this. Let me just hold it and show it to you. So what they've done is they've not cut the coconut from the top. They've cut the coconut from the side and made a hole so that the straw can go inside. Very, very sweet. So I have got my tender coconut right here. I'm not going to use any plastic straw because we are looking for sustainable means of living. So I'll drink it straight from this, and I think that'll be quite nice. Let me try. It is superb. It's really sweet, and I think it's quite full. Maybe almost a glass of tender coconut in this. Really sweet, man. You got to try this. And I think there is malai inside this. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Chomping Champion. Stay fit and stay safe.